Oh, there's a banded sea crate right there. So super venomous snake just going into that cave right there. That was a huge snake. That looked like he was like 5 feet long. Those sea crates are one of the most deadly snakes in the world. They like bite you and you're dead in like 10 minutes. Now, Kobe, you can just run in there and make sure there's no deadly sea crates real quick. You know, just give us a holler. Remember, don't get bit off camera. Oh, my sunburned legs. I'm gonna just go hike up here and see some more artifacts. Yeah, 110 millimeter, you said? Oh man, that's a big boy. Look at this thing. Another old beer bottle. That is the ancient Anheuser-Busch beer bottle. That is so cool. Look how these plants are just growing out of the steel. Look at this. Look at this big old shell casing just sitting right here. That's 25 millimeter? That is cool. This is a Sherman tank, right? The Americans used this Sherman tank as a DIY coastal defense system. The tracks were probably busted or something, and they just left it here on the shore, covered it with coral, and they could use the cannon and turret to defend the coast. I have actually driven one of these. All right. Cool, look at this. Oh, it still smells like diesel in here. That's what's left of the gun. This is where they would store the ammo, here and here. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Check this place out. Yeah, there's like a tank. Check it out, this is the old ruins of a World War II Japanese communication center. Got bullet holes in the side of the building, anti-aircraft guns.